bacon ranch cheesy bread. This is a big bowl of sourdough, and I'm gonna cut it into crisscrosses. And when you cut this for cheesy bread, you don't wanna get all the way through. So you just wanna make kind of thick slices. So everything's still attached, but there's room in there to stuff to your heart's content. So speaking of my heart's content, I'm gonna make the mixture with 2 cheeses. It's just Monterey Jack and cheddar, bacon, and then the white parts of green onions, and parsley. This is a beautiful mixture here. Cheese, bacon, onions, parsley.
Oh my gosh.
You want to pull apart the bread as you stuff it in. And I mean, you literally have to pull back every section and let the bread and the bacon mixture fall down into it. It takes a little time to make sure it's all stuffed well. All right, look at this page. Doesn't that look amazing? So I've got a packet of ranch seasoning, or ranch seasoning from a packet, and I'm gonna sprinkle it into butter. So here we go. Ranch butter. Okay, so for the first stage of cooking, I'm gonna fold the foil over just to enclose it a little bit. So I'm gonna bake it covered for 25 minutes at 350, and then I'll uncover it and bake it for another 10. It's gonna be so darn good. Look at this. That ranch butter on top, check it out. It looks amazing, absolutely amazing. Ooh, this is an oval platter, but it's sort of baked into an oval because it's just so stuffed with cheesy goodness.